Hello everyone, it's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a WhatsApp tutorial on how to mute WhatsApp group notifications. It's easy and simple. The first thing you're going to do is to locate the WhatsApp app on your phone. You tap on it. So once it opens, you look for the group you want to mute notification. Take for instance, I want to mute the notification for this group. What you're going to do is to tap on the group. So once the group opens, you tap on the group subject, like you tap here. So once it opens, you're going to see mute notifications. Then turn this on. Choose the duration here. It could be 8 hours, it could be 1 week, it could be always, okay? So it depends on the one you want to choose. Take for instance, if I want to choose always, to always mute my notification, what I'm going to do is to tap on always, to always mute my notification. So once you tap on always, then you go here and tap on OK. As you guys can see, mute notifications always. Okay, so my notifications will stay mute always. Okay, this is how you can mute your group notification. You can mute any group you belong to. You can mute the notification of any group you belong to. Okay, so that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.